Hey guys, this is me, Chaitanya Salve, and today I'm gonna vlog about my dog's birthday, whose name is Milo, and I want to make this vlog memorable for his birthday. And in other things, I'm gonna show you whatever I do in a day. So let's go, let's see what happens. So, lockdown is going on, and it's extended till 17 May. And I guess it will extend more because it is increasing day by day. So if you ask me what I do for time pass during lockdown, so basically I just listen to music, sometimes read a book, sometimes I make a new dish, and recently I just made a cake, Oreo cake, with just 3 ingredients. It's a great recipe. I loved it, enjoyed making it and eating it, and everyone loved it. Okay, now so I'm gonna take a bath. Let's go and come back. Why birthday boy? He's 3 years old now. And I don't know. 3 years old this fast. Time is vast. Okay guys, so I've just done my bath and I'm sitting under a fan because it makes me feel good. I feel better when I sit under a fan. It's like just sitting under a tree, but with air, lot of air. That when the air touches your face and you feel great, just like that. It feels good, and a lot of heat is going on in here, lot of heat, and I couldn't take it, so I just sit under a fan and feel good. So I eat 2 bananas every day because it helps to balance the chemical balance of the mind. So whenever I'm bored, sometimes I just watch Friends also, and sometimes like another shows, you know, like Tarak Mehta and all. I love it, and it's good. It's funny show. Okay, guys. So now I'm watching uh, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. So after that, there is the show Friends, which is everyone's favorite, and I'm gonna enjoy watching it. Okay, guys. Now so the Friends show is going on. I love every character in this show, but I mostly love more Chandler. Chandler and Joey.
Monkeys,
They are the
Darwin.
best.
It's a nice
Yes.
story. I just think it's a little too easy.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna eat my food now. It's lunchtime, I guess. So let's eat. Forgot to tell you that I just had my breakfast early, and I forgot to say that. So let it be now. I'll just eat my lunch and let's see what I will do next. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm eating omelette right now, and I have mixed some masala in it, so red chili like, so it becomes tastier. So let's eat it and I'll come back to you. So this is the food I'm eating omelette with, and I don't like bhindi, of course. So I'm just gonna eat omelette and rice with chapati and dal. Better. Let's go. Hello guys. So I'm done eating my food right now. So basically, can you see the road is sealed and there's a guard sitting over there. It's a fun thing. But this bamboo you're looking here with no entry sign, it was broke many times. It is like a 20th time it is broken, and I'm sure that it will be broken again. The midnight when the guard is gone, someone just takes it down, breaks it, and it is just the bamboo is laying down there. Then the guard comes and he's like, what the hell? Hey guys, so I just woke up and it's 7 p.m. now, and I'm gonna go and take my dog for a walk. Hello is not done, still pooping yet. He will do. लोग कहाँ पे भी सुसु कर देता है, उसकी मनपसंद जगह पे, कहाँ पे भी. तो ये देखो, ये व्हील के सामने सूंघ रहा है. और ये वैसे मेरे डैड की कार है, इनोवा. वेरी गुड, क्योंकि हम 5 लोग थे और 4 लोगों की गाड़ी में आ नहीं सकते थे, इसलिए हमने इनोवा ले लिया. दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. और अगर आप देखें, नो माइलो इज जस्ट पीइंग एवरीवेयर नाउ. आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक ही लाइक्स टू पी इन एवरी selected places he gets, that's fun. Smelling something, I guess. Please poop, buddy. You can do it. I'm just kidding. Oh. Look at the clouds. There's no cloud actually, but 1 star. Let's go backside and we'll see only. Back at the lift, and this is Milo. I hope you can see. Okay. Hello Milo, happy birthday. So we are just about to go home. Yeah. Logan Paul, bro. Guys, so I'm back in my house and I am taking some fresh air from the fan. I did the same thing in afternoon. I was taking fan's air because I like it, too much heat is going on, that's why. Hello guys, so now I'm drinking black tea, and I drink this very daily, if you got me. I drink this daily and I like it. It's sometimes not good in taste, but now it's a habit now for me, and it's good for health also, so I drink like that. So ये मेरा डॉग है माइलो, इसका आज बर्थडे. और जैसे कि आप देखें तो ये मेरे पास आता है और इसे खुजलाने के लिए कहता है, उसको अच्छा लगता है. ये देखो, माइलोला आवडतं खाजू. हेलो गाइस, तो अब मैं बना रहा हूँ माइलो के लिए केक. तो मैं 4 अंडे लूँगा, एग्स, और इसे तोड़ के अंदर डालूँगा. ओह माय गॉड. तो ये स्पॉन्ज केक है, तो मैं अभी इसको विस्क करूँगा जब तक पूरा स्मूथ नहीं हो जाता. So guys, I'm gonna crush some will be ready in 44 minutes or less. I'll wait. Guys, the cake is done, and I'm gonna keep it for cool like 30, 20 or 10, maybe 15. So let's see how this tastes. That looks delicious. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mario. Happy birthday to you. हॅपी बर्थडे मायलू. हे घे खाऊ हॅपी बर्थडे गुड बॉय. हॅलो, केक कसा वाटला? ए बाबू, केकूस बुबू. मस्त केक आहे ना. Guys, this was Milo's birthday and I enjoyed a lot. I make the cake again. It was sponge cake and it is tasty. So this was it, and it is 11 right now, so I will sleep later. So I need to end the vlog here. So stay safe, stay home. Jai Hind. Goodbye.